is between -4 and +4 inclusive is for what value of x is the value of x square minus 10x plus 16. We have to maximize the value of this expression, and we have to find out for what value of x is that true. Okay, let's quickly understand that x square is always greater than or equal to 0 because it's always positive for any negative or positive value of x, right? If x is 0, then it is 0. And we have to maximize it, so we have to look at minus 10x, and this minus 10x essentially needs to be maximized. This part will be maximized when x is any negative value and absolute value of x should be as big as possible. That means we have to take the maximum absolute value of x on the negative side, which means if we take x equal to -4, then the value of this expression will be -4 square minus 10 times -4 plus 16, and in that case it becomes 16 plus 40 plus 16, which is 72. That will be the maximum. This is one way of answering the question. Let's quickly understand how else can we answer this question. Now, knowing the fact that we have the value of x between -4 and +4, let me call it method 2 first. This is a different method, and this was method 1. Using method 1, we already have arrived that the value of x should be -4 to maximize it, and the answer is option A. However, the method 2 says that we have to maximize the value of this expression x squared minus 10x plus 16. So what I'm doing is, first I'm trying to convert it into some other form that I can more easily understand. So I'm writing it x squared minus 2 times 5 times x plus 16. Now I see this is a square minus b square form is coming out of it. It's only the constant is something that I have to manipulate a little. So I can further write it x squared minus 2 times 5 times x plus 25 minus 9. That means the 16 I have broken up into these two parts, 25 minus 9. Now if you see this part, it turns out to be x minus 5 whole square minus 9. Now since we have to maximize the value of this expression, then the absolute value of x minus 5, which means mod of x minus 5, should be maximized, and that will be possible only when x is negative value with maximum absolute value. So here once again we see that in the given range the maximum absolute value of x on the negative side can be -4. So at x equal to -4, this expression, that means x squared minus 10x plus 16, becomes the same thing, -4 minus 5 whole square minus 9, which is 81 minus 9, that turns out to be 72. So the same thing, the maximum value of this expression is 72 at x equal to -4. So the answer is option A. So these are two methods we have learned. The second method is slightly complicated because it involves some understanding of the absolute value, the modulus, the inequality part. However, the first one gives us slightly easier understanding of what exactly do we have to look at in order to maximize the given expression. I hope I could just let you know, I could teach you a very basic small concept of inequality. This in a way can be called a start of inequality. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please keep watching and keep liking my videos and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much.